Just like a flash, it's 365 days and we're turning away the page for 2010. How time flies. If there's one thing I would always remember 2010 for, is the fact that it was the year that I finally found my soulmate, the love of my life, my better half, Grace Ebungwa. If someone had asked me in 2009 about wedding in 2010, I would have shook my head in disbelief, but it was a reality that has become one very wonderful, momentous period of my time in 2010. As we roll into 2011, we have one great assurance that the grace of God will go with us.